Welcome to the demo of SBELL8012, this automatic school bell controller with electronic output. We have pre-programmed some 10 alarms starting from 7:30 to 7:40. This is a combination of the assembly bell, the Indian pledge, single gong for the first period, 2 gongs for the second period, 3 gongs for the third period. This was the assembly bell which started ringing at 7:30. Now, for demo purposes, the next bell will ring at 7:31.
India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my parents and my people, I pledge devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
This was the second period. This was the third period. This was the short break, start of the short break. End of short break. Period bell. Second period.